Hello, my lovely grade 6 learners. We missed you so much. As you know that we are back online for 4 weeks. I will start this video by telling you about the lessons we will learn during this duration. First, I would like to tell you about the units that we covered during this year. Unit 1, Plants and their environment. Unit 2, Animals and their environment. Unit 3, Human and health. And then we started online with Unit 4, which is about matter and energy. Together, we learned about chemical products, weight and mass, work and power, and today we will learn about forms of energy. During these 4 weeks, I will be sending you interactive science notebook. You will solve it and send it back to the school after 1 week. Today, we will learn about different forms of energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy can be moved from one object to another. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Energy can be created or destroyed. As a ball travels upward, it has a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy produced by the body due to its motion. Therefore, everything moves has a kinetic energy, such as a car traveling on the road and a plane flying in the sky. But when the car stops moving, the kinetic energy becomes zero, so the kinetic energy changed into potential energy. Potential energy is a form of energy stored in the body due to its position. Now let's learn more about energy. Energy can be found in a number of forms. We have chemical energy, mechanical energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, light energy. So, when you eat, the body breaks down the food and gives you energy to work and play. So the food we eat is digested to convert chemical energy into other forms of energy. When you go to the school, you receive sun energy in the form of heat and light. You can also use the energy coming from the sun, the solar energy, and store it in the solar panels, and use it in producing electricity. Also, we have other natural sources of energy, like water and wind, and we can use them in producing electricity. Sound energy. It is produced when sound waves move outward from a sound source like a radio. So the radio uses electrical energy to produce sound energy. Mechanical energy. It is the energy produced when the object is moving. So the car uses fuel to move. It means that it changes chemical energy into mechanical energy. Now you have to think more about forms of energy and share them with your teacher. Thank you.